Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video we're taking a look of if someone is using your video, so how to report and remove. So guys, this is my channel and someone was using my video and my video was about Wondercell Film Mura. This was my video and this guy was using my video. So I'm gonna show you. You can see simply this is my video what he is using, and you can even see right over here. You can see this is my video and he was using my video. So I'm gonna show you if you want to report your video and remove. So what you have to do is just simply go for YouTube Studio right over here. After that you can click over here copyright, and you can find how many people are using your videos and re-uploading on YouTube. If you want to remove someone video, you can simply check this box and you can request remove, click on that, and after that this page will appear. After that you can just select it was your video, so myself. You can fill up all this kind of details. You can see the removing option. If you want to give him a legal notice to remove the video by his own self by 7 days notice, or leave it up on YouTube, and you can check this watermark signature. You can put your own name, and after that you can simply hit over here submit, and that video will be taken down by YouTube. Right now I only want to show you this process. So guys, that's all in this small quick video. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.